everybody. Got a word for you today from the Lord. He is getting ready to do a heavenly shift. He's getting ready to move things quickly and rapidly. I know many people say, well, the prophets will talk about shifting, but only at certain times of the year. And Passover is going to be approaching in about 4 weeks. And so I'm feeling in the heavenly realms that God is beginning to really start to transition people rapidly. You're going to be transitioned in your job, in relationships, in a location, moving your house. You're just going to begin to start moving and shifting rapidly for the new season that is approaching us in about 4 weeks. But I can feel in the heavenly realms that God is beginning to start this transition now. I can hear him say to me, move, move, I'm getting ready to move. And that means that he actually does this in and through you. We are to live and move and have our being in him. And so we are to keep in line with the Spirit of God, in step with the Spirit of God. And I feel his Spirit moving, stirring right now and beginning to start to move us rapidly. And so if you're feeling anxiousness or an anticipation that something is coming, it's because in the heavenly realms, that's what's happening right now. You're getting that internal Holy Ghost push. And he's going to not only move you, but he's going to begin to move your circumstances and your surroundings so that you'll be able to fit into his plan and purpose for you. So we want to just give him a praise. We want to thank him that this season is quickly approaching, where we need to be gathered together as his people in the place that he calls, just like he does at Passover. People used to come from all over, and he would gather them together for the Passover feast. And so he is gathering you, he is putting you and positioning you and shifting you, and it's going to happen rapidly because he needs to have you in the right place before Passover, before the celebration of that feast. And so, you feel free to comment below, but I really feel in my heart this is something that's happening right now. So join him in the work, seek him and ask him about this great move that you're involved in. And how are you involved in it? How is he calling you? What is he asking of you? Look at your surroundings. What is he changing and shifting? How can you meet him right where he's at?